For more than 40 years, OKW has been a market leader in the design and manufacture of high-quality standard plastic enclosures for EO/EM electronics equipment. To find a perfect housing for your latest design, check out our website at okwenclosures.com.
Welcome to WDD's HotSpot, sponsored by OKW Enclosures. I'm Jennifer Hooker, Editor-in-Chief, and in this week's episode we have gloves let users feel virtual objects, smart padlock, and robot autonomously navigates 2 dynamic construction sites. A team of researchers from EPFL and ETH Zurich have developed an ultralight glove that allows users to hold and feel virtual objects. Called Dexter ES, the glove can generate up to 40 newtons of holding force on each finger with just 200 volts and only a few milliwatts of power. It also has the potential to run on a very small battery. That, combined with the glove's small and lightweight form factor of only 2 millimeters thick and less than 8 grams, helps deliver what the scientists refer to as an unprecedented level of precision and freedom of movement. Dexter ES consists of a nylon and thin elastic metal strips running over the fingers. When the user's fingers come into contact with the virtual object, the controller applies a voltage difference between the metal strips, causing them to stick together by electrostatic attraction, which produces a braking force that blocks the finger's movement. Once the voltage is removed, the metal strips glide smoothly and the user can once again move their fingers freely. At the moment, the team sees the technology being primarily used by gamers, but it could also be useful to healthcare professionals for training surgeons. Designed for Airbnb hosts, the Igloo Home Smart Padlock features a number keypad that allows users to enter a PIN to open the lock, unlike many existing smart locks. Though it does offer the conventional smart lock access feature via smartphone app, which essentially turns a smartphone into a Bluetooth key to open the lock. However, the additional support for PINs means you can allow access to people without a smartphone or without the hassle of downloading and setting up an app. An accompanying app tracks who has used a lock and when. Since each user has a different code, it's possible to match each user of the lock with a person. Access can be granted for a limited time period, a feature that Igloo Home has built on what it calls Airbnb Connect. This synchronizes the lock with an Airbnb owner's calendar and automatically generates PINs for each booking and revokes access after checkout. PINs can be created for one-time use only, and each lock also comes with a unique QR code which can be used to request access from the owner. The lock has a built-in alarm which sounds after several incorrect PIN guesses to deter tampering. It also sounds when not properly locked to prompt users to return to the lock and make sure that it is secure.
Boston Dynamics' 4-legged robot named Spot has recently shown off some new developments. According to the company, the team has begun field testing the Spot robot for commercial usage around the world. First, the robot mapped out its course. Then, Spot was able to autonomously navigate 2 construction sites in Tokyo. The robot used specialized payloads to survey the scenes, as well as an extra camera in its hand apparatus that allowed for detailed inspection. With 12 joints of freedom, Spot stands at 3.1 feet and weighs 165 pounds. It has the ability to carry 99-pound payloads as it moves around using electric power and hydraulic actuation. In order to navigate within rough, complex terrain, the robot uses 360-degree scanning LiDAR and stereo vision in concert with an onboard sensor suite. That's all for this week's episode. Make sure to check in on Facebook and Twitter and catch past episodes at wirelessdesignmag.com. For the WDD channel, I'm Jennifer De La Osa. Thanks for watching.